Alright, we got the SP 500 now. You can see price followed this perfectly. So rejected, came down, came up, rejected. You got this huge, this is yesterday's candle, just right into this zone, touched it, pulled all the way back, and is now selling off. So I do think this is still a great short for the month. Price overall in the daily is still very bullish, so you got to be mindful of that. It's a bit of a counter trend trade, but I just do see these indexes selling off this month. You can see price finally cracked this 4-hour moving average, broke below it, and is now holding below it. You got multiple wicks below this moving average. You got a super bearish engulfing candle here that broke through it, so that's nice. You got lower lows, you got lower highs through here. So yeah, I do think this is a great short. Now we have to figure out another entry. So you do have something there. Obviously, we'll not take that yet. It is Friday. Definitely just wait, but we'll see how today closes and then how Monday opens. I don't love this zone because it's not super significant, and I wouldn't bank on this holding price, but I mean, it could. I would just give it more time. I would see what it looks like on Monday and how today closes, and then who knows, they might actually set up a better zone for us come Monday, Tuesday. This is as of right now, this is what I got, but I wouldn't be super keen on this, but I mean, it did respect it pretty well. So rejected, pulled up, touched the bottom of it, held again, and then finally broke and now held. So I mean, this zone is not bad for sure. So I'll probably just set an alert, let price come back up to this area and just see what it does. If it comes back up to this area here, starts rejecting, then I would say, yeah, we're looking for a short entry. I mean, this moving average would protect us because price is still below it, way below in the 1 hour. This 1 hour would probably catch up as well a bit. So yeah, I do like that a lot. I think as far as going into next week as well, you got like last week's super bearish engulfing candle, and then now this week's bearish candle right in this zone that I marked out before, which is real nice. That price is really respecting the areas that I've drawn out, and just going off of straight technicals. So I know everyone thinks and wants this to go up forever, but that's not practical. It's very overpriced now, and that's not how things work. My generation thinks stocks only go up, but that is not true. So yeah, just today's obviously New York's not open yet, but it seems to be very bullish already right out of the gate. So, bearish, and so we'll see. There is actually a little zone here though that might affect it. This little top here. So yeah, we'll see what today does. I bet you it'll close it pretty bearish, and then we're good for Monday to look for that short position. If price comes back up to this area or gives us a new one, maybe that would be fine too. And then we'll look for that short position and target 42.80 for the rest of the month, which is within its range. The range for this is about 300 and probably about 320 points. So that's what I have here. So yeah, very reasonable to target this bottom here, kind of like this zone here. Something like that, right at the 42, between 42.80 and like 42.60, 42.50 is our range for the month for this US 500, the S&P 500. So yeah, let price come back up to here to 44.75. I like that. It's actually a nice whole number. And then we'll look for a short down. I think our bears are back. We've confirmed that. You got nice bearish momentum, broke this moving average, lower lows, lower highs. So yeah, the bears are back. Now we just got to wait for a little entry and some volume, which will probably come Monday. We'll be good to go for the S&P 500.